Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a brief look at quantum numbers and the rules they follow. We've seen that energy, charge, and angular momentum are quantized, and they've been given quantum numbers. N is the quantum number for energy. N equals 1 is the lowest energy state. The allowed values of N are N equals 1, 2, 3, and so on. We saw with hydrogen that energy can be expressed as a function of N, and we do note that N can only take on positive integer values. L is the quantum number for angular momentum. The magnitude of angular momentum, capital L, is the square root of quantum number L times quantum number L plus 1. Take that and multiply it by h divided by 2 pi. The allowed values of quantum number L start at 0, then 1, then 2, all the way up to n minus 1. And these are also integer values like n is. We can see from the magnitude of angular momentum L that electron orbits are not circular. This follows since circular orbits have angular momentum. But when n equals 1, this means the quantum number L is 0, which gives 0 angular momentum. The magnetic quantum number m sub L is next. We use this quantum number to find the direction of angular momentum, and we pick a z direction. This is the direction along which the angular momentum will vary. Then the direction of angular momentum is given by the magnetic quantum number times h divided by 2 pi. The allowed values of this quantum number range from minus L to plus L with integer values. Next is the quantum spin number little s. The magnitude of intrinsic spin angular momentum capital S is the square root of spin quantum number s times spin quantum number s plus 1. Take that and multiply by h divided by 2 pi. Quantum number little s is 1/2 for electrons, and so this number is usually not included when specifying the state of the electron. The final quantum number is the spin projection quantum number, also called the spin magnetic quantum number, or even just the spin quantum number. It is used to find the component of the spin angular momentum and has allowed values of -1/2 and +1/2. These are also called spin down and spin up. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.